Whoa, that looks like a foreign language. Numbers, letters, powers? It's a mess.
It's just a polynomial, Ada. It's like a sentence made of math words.
Well, I don't speak polynomial. Can you translate?
Sure, let's break it down piece by piece. First, let's look at terms. Terms are separated by plus or minus signs. This is the first term, 4x squared. The second term is negative 3x. The sign belongs to the term. The last term is positive 7. This is called the constant term because it has no variable. The numbers in front of the variables are called coefficients. The degree is just the highest exponent in the polynomial.
So for this one, the highest power is 5. Is it a degree 5 polynomial?
Correct. We call it a quintic, or just degree 5. By the way, we usually write polynomials in standard form. That means putting the highest powers first. For two variables, you add the exponents in each term. Here, x is squared, 2, and y is cubed, 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Here, x has power 1 and y has power 1, so the degree is 2. The highest total is 5, so the degree of the whole polynomial is 5. Finally, like terms. These are terms that have the exact same variables with the exact same exponents.
I see a 3x squared and a minus 5x squared.
Yes, those are like terms. We can combine them. 3 minus 5 is negative 2.
And 2xy and 7xy are like terms too?
Exactly. 2 plus 7 is 9. The 4 has no friends. It stays as it is.
Okay, I think I speak a little polynomial now.
It's the alphabet of algebra. Master this and the rest is easy. Subscribe to Mathilda Academy to keep learning the language of math.